Crypto Dough. Welcome on into another episode of Crypto Dough. And today we're talking about Algo. Algorand. As you guys could see, look towards this direction. Watch the prompt screen, the pop-up screen. You guys see it has great intel on what's going on with Algorand. To me, these are one of my favorite. This is one of my favorite token to own, one of my favorite technologies. But before I get started into this, I would like for you to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. I am Crypto Dough. I want to share everything I know with you guys so together we can go further than Wells Fargo. Let's get in today's session, and we're talking about Algorand. First, let's peruse Algorand page. This is their page, real world assets. Assets tokenization. Those are some of the things they offer. So many different things. Identity. They offer payment solutions, data integrity. They Can your blockchain do that? Algorand can. Oh yes, it can. Let's watch it again. Let's watch it again. This is Algorand. Algorand, as far as utility, is one of the best in the world to me. It will be used in the future of crypto. So to me, it's a great buying opportunity as we speak right now. I'm going to do some charting with you guys on Trading View. And then I'm going to go to not Coinbase, Coin Market Cap to check on the price and see what's going on. But first, I want to check out their page and see what's going on with Algorand. Algorand is the energy efficient. I like that. Quantum secured. Listen to this. Quantum secured single layer blockchain with an instant finality, consistently high throughput, and low fees. I like this one right here because you got to remember Google just made a quantum computer. Elon is also making another quantum computer as well. And you need protocols that have quantum resistance. You will need protocol that have quantum resistance. That's the first thing. So this is, to me, definitely a future investments, but not financial advice. You take your own risk. I always tell people, do your research. I'm just here to bring you to the water. It's on you to actually do your research. Algorand in the real world. Businesses across the globe are leveraging the Algorand blockchain to deliver efficient impact and opportunity. Check it out. I'm also going to leave this inside of, I like to leave the sourcing. So I make it easy for you guys. All you got to do is check on the page. And it's going to be underneath source after you peruse through the affiliate marketer links that I give you guys. Use those links depending on what platform you would like to use. All of them add some form of value and or discount to it. Follow me on X as well and on Instagram. Okay, so that is currently uploaded on the page. Let's get to Algo. LabTrace use Algorand blockchain to authenticate and verify medical data. We all know that the medical industry is going to be extremely big, especially if it's on the blockchain. I think this is how they're going to be able to save lives, because if you have the data that's needed, then you can actually impact the life of the procedures swifter, faster, in a hurry, and more efficient. Combining AI manipulation and ensuring research integrity in medical and academic fields. Whole chain's end-to-end traceability technology enables companies to collect variable data at every step of the supply chain, which is good. We all know that the supply chain is broken, but technology is going to fix that and ensure that data is immutable through the use of Algorand blockchain technology. You have staking rewards on Algo, so which means you can create and make passive income. I like Algo. Let's check out a video. Digital ID. I even like their presentation, how they actually did that. Now let's check out their partners. I like this part of the show. The Algorand Foundation forges partnership with organizations across the globe. I like the fact that it's across the globe. To contribute to advancement of overall blockchain industry and to drive adoption of Algorand blockchain. You have the University of Florida. You have the University of East London. You have DRAC. You have DFI. You have Global Blockchain Business Council. Pay attention to that one. Oh, you have quite a few. You have a lot of colleges and universities. You have Nanyang Technological University, that's in Singapore. You have NASCOM. Take a look at it. Take a look at it. I like that. I like that. They're actually well acclimated across the world. You have Open Wallet. You have Government of Plateau State of Nigeria. Okay. You have Nigeria in the building. You have Soda. SODA. That's actually a great logo. You have T Hub. Okay, that's just the name of a few. Guys, go check that out when you get a chance. Algo is definitely one of my top 15 tokens that I hold. It is definitely one of my top 15s. Okay. uh, I don't know. EG, I don't know to announce your first name, but yes, thank you for coming on in. Thank you for catching the live. I decided to do a live early. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. That's all I ask. Hit the bell notification and check out my crypto guide inside of the description as well. And I left a myriad of different affiliate marketing links inside of the description that you could check out as well. I appreciate you attending. I appreciate everyone attending. Hopefully you guys having a good day, a good morning, a good afternoon, or a good night, depending on where you're what's your location in this world, in this universe. Okay, so we talked about Algorand, how Algorand enables solution at scale. So we got the 10,000 TPS transaction per second. That's good. Instantly finality, no rollbacks, no partitioning, no uncertainty. That's good. Pure proof of stake, block by block agreement ensures data integrity. Programmable language and tools, Python, TypeScript, soon, and more. Drive to decentralization, thousands of validators keep the network secure. That's good. I wonder if I can run a node on here. I wonder if I can run a node on here. Let me become an Algorand insider. Crypto. First name Crypto, last name Doe. First name Crypto, last name Doe. Let's sign up for their newsletter because I like to be informed, and this is how you stay informed. Okay, so we did that. Let's now go to, let's check out the pricing. This is Algorand. Let me know if you guys own Algorand. Check out the pricing. Let me know if you guys own Algorand and why. I like it. It's one of my top 10s. I love the utility. I love the utility. Okay, now let's go to CoinMarketCap. Let's check out the price. Let's check out the price. It is number 52, as you guys could see. Number 52. It is number 52. Let me zoom in because I like to make sure we have some form of clarity on there. That looks better. Let me see. That looks much better. 52. It is at 0.18. So it's at 18 cents currently. In a day, it's down. In a day, it is down 2.42%. 7 days is down 4%. 1 month is down 20%. I like to buy things on sale. In a year, it is down 40 or 31%. In a year, and all, it is down 94%. And all, this is actually great. This is actually great. Okay, let's check out the market cap. Is at a market cap of 1.5 billion. That's good. The volume is at 46 million. Currently, it is down 30%. The fully diluted volume is 1.82 billion. How much in circulation? 8.53 billion. So damn near they damn near have 90% of it in circulation. That's good. So get it while you can. Where can you find Algorand? You can find it on Binance, Bybit, Coinbase, Exchange, Upbit, OKX, BitGet, Maxi, Gate.io, KuCoin, and 23 other pages. Go check that out. Let me copy and paste this as well. And it's inside of the description. I like to make it easy for you guys underneath source. I like to have my receipts and show you guys, hey, this is where you actually find these things so you can actually save time, right? Just click the link. Okay. Binance updates collateral ratio for portfolio margin. Okay, Algorand. It is 88% bullish, 12% bearish. So it's more upside than downside. This is one of the graphs right here. Targeted area. To me, Algorand is already down here. Algorand is damn near right here. If you ask me, we're going to check it out on Traders View. We're going to check it out on Trader View. What is Algorand? Algorand is a self-sustained and decentralized, that's my favorite word, decentralized blockchain based network that supports a wide range of applications. These systems are secure, scalable, and efficient, all critical properties for effective applications in the real world. Algorand will support computations and require reliable performance guaranteed to create new forms of trust. We all need trust in our life. The Algorand mainnet became live in June 2019 and was able to handle almost 1 million transactions per day. Yikes. Of December 2020. Algorand transactions metrics can be viewed here. Algorand initial coin offering ICO was held June 2019 with the Algorand price of 24 cents. So hold on. June 19th, it was 24 cents. And this was June 19, June 2029, 2029, June 2019. This was the price, 24 cents. Currently, it's at 18 cents. So you're telling me we time traveled that far back? It's actually cheaper than the actual ICO, initial coin offering. So the debut, when they cut the ribbon, oh, I need to buy some more. It's like I went back 5 years. For those who's actually into crypto right now, I consider this one of the greatest times. It's as if you guys didn't miss anything because we had to wait. We had to go through the turbulence. Now, the thing that I can't say, I won't change it. This is why I won't change it, right? I kind of like that I went through the ups, I went through the downs, because a lot of people who haven't been in the market for a certain cycle, they're panicking right now. Me, I'm used to it. I'm used to things going down 50, 60, 70%. And I've seen it go up thousands of percent. I'm used to it. But if you're new to it, you're not going to be used to it. You're going to do the things that I used to do. Panic sell, buy back in higher, not patient, looking at the price instead of looking at the accumulation of the tokens that I want. Actually investing in solid projects that I know that's going to be here for a while. Like, these are the things that you have to learn, and it only takes experience to learn these things. That's why I created the channel, because it's like, I want people to learn from my mistakes. Honestly, right? So, but I also want you to go through these things, right? Because I didn't lose anything. Well, I may have lost some money and I could have been in a 10 times better situation, but I've gained so much knowledge, right? And I turned those L's into W's, or those L's into learning lessons, that it was like amazing. And if I had a chance to do it again, I would do it the same way. Because if I'm just coming in the market, fresh skin, new to the game, you're going to get tricked out some of your positions. That's all part of it. You need to go through these things, because if you don't, you can't build character. You can't really know who you are. Investing in crypto actually teaches you a lot about yourself. It teaches you a lot about yourself. Are you the type, when things get bad, to run away? Who's a runner? She's a track star. Don't be that person, right? Face your fears. Crypto dough is here. It's okay. Always have a community besides you. Always have more than just one person. Just make sure that I notice, if you have a community and if you have different people on the same page, then you most likely be confident to say, okay, my photo went down 30%. What are most people doing? Oh, they're buying. They're not selling. Okay. They're working overtime. They're working extra to dump the money inside of this. Okay. It's normal. It's okay. You can start off with $1,000. I'm just telling people, you can start off with a couple of hundreds. You can start off with $100 and just DCA, dollar cost average, every $50 you get, and $50 you get. Instead of, what I do is, when I get paid 30% of my check, because you're supposed to pay yourself first. Me paying myself is me investing in the crypto. One of the buckets that I have. So I decided to invest in the crypto, pay myself, of course. Right? That's the first thing in the Richest Man in Babylon. Make sure that you pay yourself first. Then you pay everything else. And I like to pay myself, invest in the accounts, because I don't really like to save a lot of money, right? I like to invest a lot, because I understand and invest in utility, and I understand. And my investments is different. So I may invest in life insurance, right? I also may invest in bonds. I may invest in crypto, but it's always something that's going to go up eventually. It might not go up today. It might not go up tomorrow. It might not go up in 3 months, 6 months, but it's going to go up. So therefore, I'm not just having my money in a savings account. No, I do have 6 months. No, I have about a year and a half of, just in case of emergency, like bills and stuff like that. But after that, it's like, what's the point of holding all that cash inside of your bank account? It's no point. Put it in assets that's going to grow. It's like, it's literally no point. That's just how I think. I'd rather have most of my money tied up in investments, because if your money isn't moving, you're losing. In my world, you're losing. Let's read some of these comments. I'm just going to say Princess. Princess said, I'm in China. Oh, what's going on in China? I have Algo. That's good. That's excellent. She's in China. She has Algo. I like utility. Me too. I love utility. Walter Hard said, I like watching your videos. Keep doing it. I appreciate the love. I appreciate it. I appreciate you taking the time out, most importantly, to be here right now. I appreciate it. It's early on the East Coast, 10:06. So I really appreciate people. I appreciate people for tuning on in. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. That's all I ask. Help me get to 10,000 subs. That's my goal for this year. 10,000 subs, right? And I believe we can do it. I believe that we can do it. Okay, so we talked about Algo. Let's see what else Algo have to say, because then I want to go into the charting, and then we're going to call it a quick. We're going to close it up. I left that page right there down in the description as far as sourcing. You guys go check that out. Now let's go to Trading View. So I did a quick little chart of Algo, right? I did a quick little chart of Algo. And that's the Algo chart right there. You guys see what I see? You guys see what I see? Okay, we're right here. Where's my drawer? Where's my little... Just want to draw something. Okay. we're right, we're right here, right? As you guys can see, we're right here. We're currently at 18 cents. You guys see we were all the way up here, and this was at the top of that was 61 cents, right? That's 61 cents. We at 18 cents. It's trading in between this right here. It's trading in between that. You guys see the trade, right? It's trading in between that. But it's on the down. It's on a downtrend. Obviously, it's on a downtrend. Look at this point right here. This was November 14, 2024. We were currently right here. We're currently right there on November. We're currently right here on November. If you guys can see that highlighted area, we're currently right here, basically at 18 cents. Look how much we jumped up from that point, right? Let me, you guys, so basically from this point, let's just say from that point, we can roughly go. Okay, let's do that one over. Let's do that one over. From that point, we're going to start about right here. We can go all the way up. That's about 286%. That is 286%, right? 286%. That's let's just say that's damn near 3x. You put $1,000 in, that's $4,000. You put $10,000 in, that's $40,000. You put $100,000 in, that's $400,000. You put $1 million in, that's $4 million. I look at it like that. All I'm saying is that, and can this go down some more? Of course, because you gotta remember, you guys, let's remember, right? We were all the way down here at this bottom. Let's trash that. We were literally down here at the bottom right here. This was basically, we were at 11 cents. It can go down to 11 cents. It can break this support, but it bounced off this support. You guys see this back, way back when it bounced off that support and went all the way up. It can come back down to the floor about 10 to 11 cents. It can come back down to the floor about 10 to 11 cents. Let me draw a line for you guys. From that point, let's go to all the way over there. Okay. It can come back down to the floor from 10, this right here. Let's just see. What's the percentage drop? Drop is that. Started from this point to that point. Okay, so let's just say it can. It can basically drop another 50%. It can drop another 50%. You guys see that on the chart. It can drop another 50%. Or it can bounce. Because who's to say? What if it bounced off of that plane right there and decides to, let me erase that. What if it bounced off of this support? Because this is going to either become support and or resistance. We don't know yet. But I'm thinking, what if it bounced off that support and bounced to the top of this triangle, right? And the resistance will be 31 cents. That's 70% gain right there. That's 70% from that point. So you can either go down 50% or it can go up 70%. We know that Bitcoin right now has a way to go down, right? It has a way to go down. Bitcoin right now, based on the tariffs and all, what I see, Bitcoin can go down to about 70,000, between 67 and 73,000. This means that the market to me can go down a bit more. Some people are buying the dip, but sometimes you buy the dip, you buy the dip, you buy the dip, you run out of money, right? So they will actually wait to buy the dip. Now you can't call the market, so it's good to DCA because Trump can say one thing and everything will just go skyrocketing. April 2nd can be an announcement that no one ever expected, and it can skyrocket or it can tank the market. It may be a buy the rumor, sell the news event. Who knows? But I wanted to give you guys this outlook. We did the trading view. We did some reading on it, and we actually went to their page so I can inform you guys about it. I think it's a great project. I think in a year, because we still didn't do the altcoin season yet, right? Altcoin season did not even begin. So it can go all the way up to 3 cents to 60 cents. Let me see. It can go all the way up to 60 cents. Yep. Now let's see how long this trade. Oh, no. That's kind of low on the thing. The highest high that it went to, it can go all the way up to $2.79. Let's see how much gain that will be from the bottom that we're at now. We're on the line right here. That's 18 cents. Let's go $2.80 will be, whoa. If I zoomed out, hold on. People, I just zoomed out, right? I just zoomed out. And that's 1,336% from where it's at right now. My God. Let me repeat. That's 1,333%. Let's bring out the calculator. If you put, that's basically a 10x. That's a 13x. You put $1,000, that's 13,000. You put $10,000, that's 130,000. So from the bottom of where we at now, if you just zoom out, let's just zoom out. And we can't say this is the bottom because it can still go down another 50%. But I'm saying it all to say we're at 20. We're literally at 2019 lows. So if we're at 2019 lows and you're telling me that we can go up basically 1,000, 1,300%, not financial advice, but I know what I'll be doing. I'm buying the hell out of Algo. I'm buying it. Now you have some projects that have a lower market cap that may go up 50x, 100x. I'm in an XPR position right now that I see that maybe go up 50, 60x. I'm in an XXX position, XXX, double X position that can go up. That can go up another 100%. These are low market caps now. Some people could say it's a bit risky, but I have XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum. I have all the big boys. Now I want to look at the small market caps or figure out the projects and pay attention to their ecosystem and see what actually make that ecosystem work and what projects, small market cap projects they have, because those are the projects that's going to 30, 40, 50, 100, 500, 400, 300x. And I'll share some of those things with you guys as well. Some of you could put $500 in, change your life. Some of you could put $1,000 in, change your life. So I wanted to give you guys that update about Algo. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. That's all I ask. I appreciate everyone for tuning on in today. Once again, this is Crypto Doe. Hit that like button, get me to 10,000 subs, hit the bell notification as well. On that note, you guys know how I like the ending. Put on your seatbelts. It is time to take off. Crypto Dough in 5, 4,